So now we can talk about the interview process, how the interview went. So could you please tell us about the number of students who were shortlisted for this particular JAF for the interview?
I think around 45 students were shortlisted.
Okay, 45 students got shortlisted for the interview,
Yes.
and around 45 students got shortlisted for the interview.
Hmm.
Yeah, and then okay, so now we can talk about the interview, like the number of rounds. Of course, you do not need to tell the panelist name, even if you know it. We cannot reveal those names, but you can talk about the interview rounds, like technical, HR, all these things, and if possible, the detail, like what happened when you entered into the interview first. So you can start with the interview.
So my first interview was in Oracle. So around 10 o'clock, I entered the interview. So there was an HR.
10
She
a.m.
told
right? 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
Yeah.
So the HR told me to go to one of the means they scheduled me to some of the interview panels.
Yeah.
So in that interview, two people were there. So we started with like first coding questions only. So they gave me a coder pad link and they gave me one question first, which it was on string processing. So I had to code and give the output. So in this they were grilling on what are the various approaches. So I had to tell them the various approaches which are there, and then uh, how can we improve that. So this discussion continued. Then he told me to code it. So I coded it. I was getting error. Then I removed the error, and finally question was done. Then other question was from data structure. I was able to do it. It was done. And then other interviewer, he asked me about the process. Means he asked me what core projects were there. So then he asked me some questions about computer vision, and then about my projects, and then it was around 1.5 hour interview. It was done.
Okay, so there was only one round.
One round of 1.5 hours.
Okay, there was no HR around
No, no, no,
specifically.
no
Okay.
HR round.
So in that round, you entered the room, and then they started with something like telling about yourself or something, or they just started with the coding question.
They asked me how are you, miss, that general question. Then they started that let's start with some coding questions. So we started with coding questions.
Okay, so you mentioned some platform was there. Which platform was it during
It was
that?
coder pad, I think. Coder pad.
Okay, coder pad. So they give you some question, you can write in the real time.
So they can watch my screen, and I can watch what they are typing. So
Okay. Some kind of scribble pad, if, okay,
scribble pad,
which
scribble
is
pad.
shared with you, and so there you have to write the code, complete code, not pseudo code.
Yes. No. Complete code. We have to run it, and then we have output will be shown. So complete.
Okay, so I guess this happened only because of the interview was getting
Online.
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 Had
Yes.
it been offline mode, then I think they would have simply have to write the pseudocode.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So I guess this is the one difference which has, which is with this online mode particular. Because now you can be asked to write the code itself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you were given one coding question. I think two coding questions in that round.
Mm-hmm.
So one coding question was based on what topic? Do you remember?
String processing.
Okay, string processing, and another was based on data structures.
Data structure.
Data structure. So there, and then they were grilling you on the things which you can do to improve the code, or you can.
Improve the code, time complexity, space complexity, these also.
Okay. So then they switched on to the course projects, or maybe the course.
Yes. Course projects.
So you
My
mentioned,
my
yeah.
my resume. So you have to be very thorough with your resume. What you are telling, you should have in-depth knowledge of the things you are writing in the resume.
Yeah. So you mentioned that this profile was about cloud analytics, right? So
Uh,
did
Cloud.
you ask
At
question?
last, I asked them that what team is selected. So they told we are interviewing for analytics profile. Then after the interview, I searched about this analytics. So it was, and there is Oracle Analytics, one cloud analytics group of Oracle. So this was exactly, I don't know. The letter hasn't come till now. So
Yeah,
uh,
definitely. Yeah, one, yes. So my point is that did they ask anything about analytics in the interview?
they asked the computer vision questions.
Okay, so they were mainly on your project, or there were some other theory?
Mainly on my project.
Okay, mainly on your projects. Okay, so yeah, I remember that you have worked in computer vision, image processing, and all these things. So there's questions on all of those things. Okay. So was there any HR question, HR type of questions in that round, or?
HR it was, I don't remember exactly, not HR type question, just basic introduction and just basic general talk. Otherwise,
Because it was more of it was mainly technical round, I can
yes,
say.
mainly technical and little bit of in the beginning when you go to the interview, they comfort you with little bit, and then at the end, general,
Yes.
nothing specific.
Okay, so that way students got interviewed. And do you remember how many students have been given the offer finally?
I think 10 student.
Okay, 10 students were sorted for this profile. Finally, they have been selected.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good number. Yeah. So I guess okay. So one and one half. So I guess most of the time you were writing the code itself, and you were being grilled on the code itself in
Yes,
the.
yes, yes, grilled on the code.
Okay. So yes. So so I guess in that case, and since it was online mode, so
Mm.
in case of online mode, you have to, yeah.
Yes,
So in case of online mode, you should be prepared that you might be asked to write the code itself.
yes, yes, yes. You should be writing the code.
Okay. Yeah. So we talked about these things, and there was no HR questions. So do you remember anything particular like which you think that you could not answer or you had not prepared? कभी वो चीज पूछी गई आपसे या आपको लगता है कुछ चीजें आपको और अच्छे से पढ़ के जाना चाहिए था कुछ any specific thing related to this particular form?
No, your whatever you write in your resume, you should be thorough with that. So आपको वहाँ पर fluctuate नहीं करना. आप you should give your answer in full confidence that what you have written, and they can ask anything about that. So you should be confident enough to answer with ease. यही है.
Okay, yeah. So I guess all our previous guests they have also emphasized on this thing that resume you should be really thorough with your resume. So I guess this thing I also repeat in the every interview because resume से
Because it happens you write at the last one project and you may not be thorough with that project. So they can ask you with that project also. So it is not like ऊपर वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स ही देखेंगे, नीचे के भी कोई देख लिया और आपने सोचा कि अरे ये तो लास्ट में नहीं देखेंगे, बट वो देख लिया तो फिर यू विल बी खराब गया तो then it will be bad only.
yeah, it might be embarrassing. And so any advice you have for the upcoming students or upcoming batch, because in your case it's a very unique combination that you did your BTech in CS, then you switched on to electrical, and now you are more or less again going back to software form, even though there is analytics. So how do you see or which advice would you like to give to the upcoming students who will be appearing for the place?
So placement, actually the placement season is a bit hectic, but you should be prepared for that and you should not give up. You should ऐसा नहीं कि पहला दिन नहीं हुआ तो दूसरा दिन नहीं होगा. You definitely you will get placed.
Yeah.
If you have knowledge, you will definitely be getting placed. That is not a problem. But वही है कि आप confident रहो कि आपसे हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि you will not get any job. You will get a job definitely. If you are good in that field, you will get a job. अगर जॉब करना है तो जॉब की कमी नहीं है, but you should be good in your field which you are working. So whichever field it may be, you should be good in that.
Yeah, very true, very true. Yeah, once you know your skill set, you know your passion, and you are willing to put extra efforts,
Yes, yes.
then definitely you will get what you have been seeking for.
Mm.
So yeah, so that I think that's really a very good message, and that should be the key takeaway for all of our viewers that you should not give up, or you should know your strengths and weaknesses, and accordingly you should keep trying. That is the only thing which we can do. Keep trying, and at last, definitely success will be yours. It's just that there might be some delay in getting the success or getting succeeded, but of course you have to keep trying. Yeah. Yeah, so thank you, Shivam. Then thank you very much for accepting for sparing out time for this session. And I hope that this session will be really useful for the upcoming because this time students are not in the campus yet. So these videos will definitely be a good help for them while appearing for the placements or preparing for the placement. So yeah,
Yes.
thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.